Welcome to Redwood Capital Solutions LLC. Visit our site to find best strategies and solutions for your business. Define your scaling goals. The first step in scaling your business is to clearly define your goals. What does success look like for your company? Are you aiming to increase revenue, expand into new markets, or diversify your product offerings? By setting specific, measurable, and achievable goals, you can create a roadmap for your scaling efforts and ensure that everyone in your organization is aligned towards a common objective. Monitor cash flow. Cash flow statement. Create and regularly update a cash flow statement to track the movement of cash in and out of your business. Cash flow forecasting. Project your future cash inflows and outflows to anticipate periods of surplus or shortfall. Working capital management. Maintain adequate working capital to cover day-to-day expenses and fund growth initiatives without relying excessively on external financing. Maintain accurate records. Digital accounting systems. Utilize modern accounting software to streamline record-keeping processes and minimize errors. Compliance assurance. Stay abreast of regulatory requirements and maintain accurate records to ensure compliance with tax laws and financial regulations. Regular audits. Conduct periodic internal audits to identify discrepancies and strengthen internal controls over financial reporting. Expand your marketing efforts. As you scale your business, it's crucial to expand your marketing efforts to reach new audiences and drive customer acquisition. Explore a mix of digital and traditional marketing channels, including social media, email marketing, content marketing, and targeted advertising. Tailor your messaging and campaigns to resonate with your target audience and drive engagement and conversions. By continuously optimizing your marketing efforts, you can attract more customers and fuel your growth trajectory. Invest wisely. Investment objectives. Define clear investment objectives aligned with your business's growth strategy, whether it's expanding operations, diversifying product offerings, or entering new markets. Risk assessment. Evaluate the risk-return profile of potential investment opportunities, considering factors such as market volatility, industry dynamics, and regulatory risks. Portfolio diversification. Spread investment across different asset classes and sectors to minimize concentration risk and enhance overall portfolio resilience. Due diligence. Conduct thorough due diligence on investment opportunities, including financial analysis, market research, and competitor benchmarking, to make informed decisions. Plan for taxes. Tax planning strategies. Implement tax planning strategies to optimize your business's tax position, such as maximizing deductions, credits, and exemptions. Tax compliance. Stay compliant with tax laws and regulations by maintaining accurate records, filing returns on time, and fulfilling reporting requirements. Tax efficiency. Structure your business operations and transactions in a tax-efficient manner to minimize the tax burden while remaining compliant with legal requirements. Tax advisor consultation. Seek advice from qualified tax professionals to navigate complex tax issues and identify opportunities for tax savings and risk mitigation. Seek professional advice. Financial advisory services. Engage the services of financial advisors or consultants with expertise in small business finance to gain insights and guidance tailored to your specific needs. Accounting support. Partner with experienced accountants or bookkeepers to manage day-to-day financial tasks, maintain accurate records, and ensure compliance with accounting standards. Legal counsel. Consult with legal experts to address legal and regulatory matters affecting your business, such as contract negotiations, intellectual property protection, and business structure considerations. Mentorship and networking. Seek mentorship from successful entrepreneurs or join business networks and industry associations to tap into a wealth of knowledge and experience. Remember, the journey to financial success is ongoing, so stay proactive, adaptable, and committed to optimizing your business's financial health and prosperity. Here's to your continued success.